So I have sleep apnea myself. I work in the dental field. And once I got diagnosed with sleep apnea, I started this path of finding out that we can treat sleep apnea in the dental clinic as well. And a lot of the science that we learned in sleep apnea treatment and prevention revolved around the removal of mouth breathing. Whether you use a CPAP machine or whether you use an oral appliance to treat sleep disorder breathing, the key is to make sure that we're not mouth breathing, because the mouth has no function for breathing. Once I just found out about lip taping in general, I think through some other practitioners overseas somewhere, I started out with medical micropore tape, but like I've heard from several other people, it doesn't stay on very well. I have a beard, so bearded people have a hard time with it. So something a little bit more adhesive, and then it doesn't come off in the middle of the night.